Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting now. Power on your Xbox, connect to Wi-Fi, and sign into the Microsoft account linked to payments. Once done, open the Microsoft Store app on the console. Don't use the phone yet, then type Xbox Game Pass into search. Choose the plan you want. Game Pass Ultimate combines Live and Game Pass, while console only is cheaper. Make a selection and follow the on-screen purchase prompts. You'll input or confirm your payment method and accept terms to begin activating the subscription. Once purchase confirmation appears, make sure billing details and region match your account. This avoids activation errors. After the transaction finishes, install the Xbox Game Pass app or open the Xbox app section labeled Game Pass to browse included titles. Pick a game and press Install. Choose internal or an attached external drive. You should see download progress in My Games and Apps. Make sure the console stays online for license verification. If prompted, restart the console to finalize entitlements and cloud features. To finish, confirm the subscription under Settings Account Subscriptions so you know the start and renewal dates. Then launch an installed Game Pass title to verify playability. If it fails to start, sign out and back into your profile, restart the console, then try again. If the entitlement still doesn't appear, check for system updates and ensure your payment processed. One key troubleshooting tip: clear local saved games by fully powering down and unplugging for 30 seconds before restarting. This often forces a license refresh.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.